Greetings everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're set to unravel the intricacies of maintenance work requests and work orders. Get ready to grasp the essential differences between these two concepts and understand their significance in your operations. We'll navigate through their transformation process and how you can effectively manage them using a CMMS, otherwise known as a Computerized Maintenance Management System. This in-depth tour will equip your maintenance and operations teams with the knowledge to streamline their workflow. Now let's move on to our main discussion. A work request is a call to action submitted by your staff or customers requesting that work be performed on an asset. In contrast, a work order is an authorization from your maintenance planner to perform maintenance tasks. So, essentially, when work requests are submitted and approved, they evolve into work orders. You might be curious about how a work request turns into a work order. Here's how it works. When a work request is submitted, it's up to management, often a maintenance planner, to decide whether to approve it. They consider factors like the current budget, the criticality of the asset, existing maintenance plans for the asset, the age of the asset, and the severity of the issue being reported. If it's sensible to perform the requested work, a work order is created. If not, the request may be rejected. This process helps you control what work is performed in your facility, ensuring you don't waste time on unnecessary tasks. Once a work request is approved, a work order is created. This work order outlines the work to be done, the name of the requesting party, the location, the due date, the party who will complete the order, and any necessary parts, documents, and so on. At this point, the requested work is no longer optional. It's mandatory, and if it's not completed, it will be reflected in your records. As work orders are completed, it's crucial to track them. Tracking work orders is key to improving reliability at your facility, as it offers insight into metrics like schedule compliance, mean time between failures on specific assets, mean time to repair or replace assets, and overall equipment effectiveness. And how can you manage your work orders and track these metrics effectively? The answer is with a CMMS, a Computerized Maintenance Management System. Currently, about 53% of facilities use computerized systems to handle their maintenance, and these systems significantly streamline work order management. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the key concepts of work requests and work orders, and how a CMMS can help manage and track them effectively. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more details about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping your maintenance and operations teams be more successful. Until next time.